Hello, my name is Mike, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restore a file or folder directly from the Magnus Box web portal to your client's endpoint. Now with Magnus Box, there's only two ways to restore data back to an endpoint. It's either through the web portal or through the application on the endpoint. You can only push data back down to devices that are attached to the backup account. It's more of a security feature than anything. We didn't want people being able to log into the web portal and download data directly from the web portal to any device anywhere in the world. So that's why it's restricted and so secure like that. But it's a very easy process. To get started, all you need to do is find the user account that you would like to do a restore on. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Accounts tab, and then click on Users. And we're going to pick on my Ansible server. Once you open up the backup user account, you're going to click on the Devices tab. Now you have to make sure that the device is online so you can push the data back to it. So you can see here my Ansible server, Dozer1, is currently online, and I'm going to go ahead and click that button. Once you click the online button, it's going to open the Connected Device Actions tab. From within here, you can perform many functions such as run a backup, restore, update the software, and more. For this video, we're going to click on the Restore button. And it's going to ask which storage vault we are restoring from. Now, this here is my test online vault. You may have different vaults attached to yours, such as an on-site external hard drive, or you may have multiple different vaults. I only have the one, so I'm just going to select that one and then hit Next. And then I can see here my device is Dozer1. I'm going to click the plus arrow or the plus symbol next to it. And here's the protected item that's currently doing a backup job every night. I'm going to click on the plus sign. And I can see here that I only have the latest backup. Now, our system does do versioning, and so how you get those other backup jobs to populate in here, you need to click the refresh button. Once you click that, it's going to go out and pull in all of the backup jobs that have happened since the device was added to the backup account. So we're going to wait a second here while that loads. Should only take a moment here. And once that's done, we can go back in here. And now we can see all of the snapshots or all the backup jobs that have completed. So you can see here I have multiple backup jobs running every day. And you can pull data from each one of these individual snapshots. So if you had a file that was modified a week ago, you can go back and select that one individual job and pull that data. For this video, I'm going to grab the latest snapshot though, and then click the next button. And then I have the option to restore all the items or selected items. I can select specific files to restore. I'm just going to select the all items to restore and then hit next. I'm going to restore it as a file and folder. You also have the option to do a test restoration by clicking the download only do not save. This option is perfect for pulling the data down and testing it without actually saving any data to the endpoint. So it's a nice little feature to test your client's backups monthly. We're just going to select the file and folder. And then we need to select an output directory. You can put the data anywhere you want. You can put it on the root of the C drive. You can put it on an external drive. You just have to specify it here and then whether you want to overwrite the existing data. We highly recommend just putting the data on the root of the drive and then just unchecking the overwrite option, and then that way you can just move the data back. A future release will put the data right back where it was backed up from. So if you have any questions regarding performing a restoration from the web portal, please feel free to reach out to us at support@magnusbox.com. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.